Hello students, myself Mrs. Kuljit, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you English 1 chapter number 17, kinds of noun. So before begin the class, I would like to request to all of you to take out your books. Page number is 39, the chapter name is kinds of nouns and the number of the chapter is 17. So I request to all of you to take out your books and take your pencil erasers and rough notebooks also with you, because the definitions of these kinds of nouns are not written in the book. So note down all the definitions. Okay, let's begin the chapter. Students, in the last chapter, in the first term syllabus, there was a noun chapter. You have already learnt. Then what do you mean by noun? Yes, a noun is the name of a person, yes, animal, yes, place or thing. Just to repeat it once again, a noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. For examples also give now. Person like boy, animal, dog, place, Amritsar, thing, pen, yes. These all are the examples of noun. So, the chapter is kinds of noun. This you have earlier studied. So, now we are going to discuss the kinds of nouns. There are 4 kinds of nouns. First is kinds of noun. First is common noun. Second is proper noun. Third is abstract noun. And the last one is collective nouns. Okay, common noun. Yes, common nouns. See now, common nouns are the names, of person, animal, place or thing of the same kind. For examples, common nouns examples, look at this chart now. Person like doctor, mother, animals, cat, dog, places, bank, airport, things, book, computer. These all are common nouns. Okay, the next one is proper nouns. Next is proper noun. Okay, proper nouns are the special names given to certain common nouns. For examples, like my name, Kuljit. I already told you my name, Kuljit. Here see, personal name of people like Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, any example you can take. Then names of countries, cities, days of week, months of the year, oceans, seas, rivers, etc. Like Sunday, India, Amritsar, March, Ganga. One more thing about the proper nouns, students, they always begin with the capital letters. Okay? Keep in the mind always, they always begin with capital letters only. The third one is abstract noun. Now, yes, abstract nouns are the words which cannot be seen or touched. Yes, which cannot be, which thing we cannot see or touch, that is abstract noun. For examples, look at this chart once again. The name of the quality, action or state. Examples, mercy, cry, healthy. Then the name of the arts and science like grammar, physics. These all are abstract nouns. The next one is kind of noun is collective nouns. Number 4, collective nouns. Yes, collective means groups. Yes, collective nouns are words for groups of, yes, groups of people, groups of things, groups of animals and animals. For examples, I have written here some examples of collective nouns. Army, a group of soldiers. Crowd, a group of people. Team, a group of players. Bunch, a group of keys. Pride, a group of lions. These all are collective nouns. So it was the chapter about kinds of nouns. Students, now look at the exercise. Pick out the nouns in the following sentences and say whether they are common, proper, abstract or collective. Now do the exercise, solve this and find out which is common, which is proper, which is abstract and which is collective. Definitions I have told you already. We have learned the definition of each of kind of noun. So according to that you have to solve the exercise. Okay, thank you.